Hello everybody, welcome to Dudier Academy. In this video, I am briefly explaining the different government nursing colleges in Kerala. So it will be useful for you to get an idea about these nursing colleges for getting admissions in various courses in these institutions. Also, if you like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications as soon as we upload the videos. So let me start. There are 7 government nursing colleges in Kerala. That is the Government College of Nursing, Trivandrum, then Alappuzha, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Kozhikode, Pariyaram, Kannur. These institutions are under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Kerala. And this comes under the Health Secretary, then Director of Medical Education, Joint Director of Nursing Education, and then the Principal of each nursing college. These government colleges are affiliated to Kerala University of Health Science, that is KUHS Thrissur. Also, it is recognized by Indian Nursing Council INC and the Kerala Nurses and Midwives Council KNMC. So first I am discussing the Government College of Nursing, Trivandrum. So it is a pioneer institution of nursing education in Kerala. This is the first institution in state to start the BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing, and it is also a PhD study center for Indian Nursing Council and University of Kerala. In 1943, it started a School of Nursing attached to General Hospital Trivandrum. In 1963, the School of Nursing was upgraded to College of Nursing with the starting of post-basic BSc Nursing for diploma nurses, which was the first of its kind in Southeast Asia. In 1972, 4-year BSc Nursing was started at university level, and the postgraduate MSc Nursing course in medical surgical specialty was started in 1987. And in 2011, 1-year post-basic diploma program started in 4 specialties, that is the critical care, oncology nursing, the nurse midwifery practitioner, and emergency and disaster nursing. So this is the location of Government College of Nursing, Trivandrum. So you can find it Google. And the courses offered are for MSc Nursing, total seats 28, that is for medical surgical nursing 8 seat, pediatric nursing 8 seat, then community health nursing 8, and for OBG nursing 4. And the total seats for BSc nursing is 75, and for post basic BSc nursing it is 30. Then for post basic diploma in nursing, that for the specialty programs, the total number of seats are 40, and for general nursing and midwifery 30 seats. Also, this is a PhD center. So this is the address of Government Nursing College, that is Medical College, Ullur Road, Trivandrum, Kerala 695011. So the phone number and the website details are given here. So next is the Government College of Nursing, Alappuzha. So it started functioning on 4th December 2006, and the first batch of 60 BSc Nursing students were admitted on 23rd January 2007. The postgraduate program was started on 28th September 2010 in 4 specialties. So this is the route map of Government Medical College, Alappuzha. That is, it is situated in Vandanam, that is 10 kilometers south of Alappuzha. The College of Nursing is located in TD Medical College campus. The college is located on the side of NH47, and the college is easily accessible by rail, and the nearest railway station is Ambalappuzha, which is 4 kilometers away from the college. And it provides the courses of BSc Nursing 66, and for MSc Medical Surgical Nursing 5, Pediatric Nursing 5, Community Health Nursing 5 seats, and for Obstetrics and Gynecological Nursing 5 seats. So this is the contact details of Government College of Nursing, Alappuzha, that is Vandanam Medical College Complex, Medical College PO, Alappuzha 686 005. So the phone number and the website details are given here. Next is the Government College of Nursing, Kottayam. Government College of Nursing, Kottayam was established in 1982 as the third nursing college in government sector, Kerala. And the PhD program in nursing was conducted by Mahatma Gandhi University and Kerala University of Health Science. So in May 1982, it started its functioning, and in 1983, admission of the first batch with 25 seats. And in 1992, the number of seats for this BSc Nursing was increased to 50. And in February 2000, the General Nursing and Midwifery course was started with annual intake of 20 students. And in August 2003, the BSc Nursing seats again enhanced to 60. And MSc Nursing course was started with 4 seats in the year 2004. And in 2005, this MSc Nursing seats enhanced to 22. So that is regarding the details of the Government College of Nursing, Kottayam. Again, this is the location. So the courses offered are for BSc Nursing 60 seats, then MSc Medical Surgical Nursing 6 seats, MSc Psychiatric Nursing, MSc Pediatric Nursing, MSc Community Health Nursing, and MSc OBG Nursing, 4 seats for each specialty. The contact details of this Government College of Nursing is mentioned here. Gandhinagar PO, Kottayam 686 008. Also the website details are given and the phone number is also mentioned. Next is the Government College of Nursing, Ernakulam. So it was established in the year 1999 by the Cooperative Academy of Professional Education. It was formerly known as Cochin Medical College. The college offers UG courses for BSc Nursing and post-basic BSc Nursing, and also it provides a diploma in General Nursing and Midwifery course. So this is a location of Government College of Nursing, Ernakulam. The courses offered: BSc Nursing 60 seats, and for post-basic BSc Nursing 40 seats. The contact details are given here. Government College of Nursing, HMT Colony PO, Kalamasheri 683503, Cochin, Kerala. Also the website details are given. The next is the Government College of Nursing, Thrissur. Government College of Nursing, Thrissur was established in the year 2006. The BSc Nursing program was started in the year 2006. The postgraduate nursing program was started in 2010 with an annual intake of 10 students, that is 2 in each specialty. Later the seats were enhanced to 20, that is 4 in each specialty in the year 2013. So this is the location of the Government College of Nursing, Thrissur. The contact details: Government College of Nursing, Medical College, Thrissur 680596. Also given the phone number, website and email ID. The courses offered for BSc Nursing 60 seats, for MSc Medical Surgical Nursing 4 seats, MSc Psychiatric Nursing 4 seats, MSc Pediatric Nursing 4, MSc Community Health Nursing, and MSc OBG Nursing for each specialty. Next is the Government College of Nursing, Calicut. So Government College of Nursing, Calicut is the second Government Nursing College of Kerala. The college was started in 1982, April 1982. The General Nursing and Midwifery program exclusively for scheduled caste commenced in 1986 with annual intake of 30 students. MSc Nursing program was commenced in the year 1996 with 2 specialties and an intake of 8 students, which was gradually enhanced to 30 with all 5 specialties. So this is the location of the Government College of Nursing, Calicut. And the courses offered are for BSc Nursing 60 seats, and for MSc Nursing for Medical Surgical, Psychiatric Nursing, Pediatric Nursing, Community Health Nursing, and for Obstetrics and Gynecological Nursing 6 seats in each specialty. Next, Government College of Nursing, Kannur. So the College of Nursing Academy of Medical Science is an ambitious venture of ACME and marked its entry in the field of nursing education in 2002. So this is the location of Pariyaram Medical College. The courses offered are for BSc Nursing 60 seats, and for MSc Medical Surgical Nursing 5 seats, and MSc Obstetrics and Gynecological Nursing 5 seats. And for post basic diploma in cardiothoracic nursing there are 15 seats allotted. And the contact details of the Kannur Medical College, that is Pariyaram College of Nursing, Pariyaram Medical College, PO Kannur 670503. Also given the phone number and email address. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like this video. Also give your comments in the comment box.